Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Tails Mii on the Nintendo Switch. If you want to see how to make a Sonic Mii, I will put the link in the description down below, so go check that out if you want to. Let's get started. I think I'll update the face, hang on. No face. None of these. And let me just make it more yellow. So it's like that. You want to have this hair and make it this colour. So make it yellow. You want no eyebrows. It's not very usual, is it? You don't have any eyebrows on a Mii. So this could be very short. These eyes, these positions. And this colour. You want this nose, and you want to hide it. So we'll get back to how you hide it in a minute. So you want these positions. Pause the video anytime you need to or want to. You want this mouth and these positions. And it doesn't matter what colour you use because it's a black mouth. So when you change it to it, stay black. We keep having black mouths in this. So you want to have this moustache and this beard. And the moustache is going to be all the way down and as big as you can get it. So that's going to be like his fluffy bit on his chest. Like, you know the fluffy bit? Hang on, let me show you. Like this fluffy bit. You see there? Okay, back to the video. So, yeah. And you want to make it white. And here the mole comes in. You want to have a mole. And you want to make it in these positions. So that's going to be the nose. Just like with the Sonic one, if you have seen that. Gender is male. Body, roughly about this. Because you don't have to get it exact because it's really tricky to, even I struggle with that. When I'm making Mii's, watching tutorials. Now you want to get the glasses, these are going to be the ears. And put them to these positions. And then it makes like his thing at the top, doesn't it? Like his little fringe, or big fringe. So it's clever, isn't it? Then you want to make his favourite colour yellow. And you want to type in Tails, and then press done. There you have it. You have made Sonic's cute little sidekick, my favourite Sonic character, actually, if you didn't know that. Tails. And also Luigi's my favourite Mario character, if you didn't know that. So, Tails.